Hello, welcome back. Let's look at this question. A very simple question on logarithm that came for WASSCE NOV-DEC, that is November, December 2024. Given that the logarithm of 18 minus x squared divided by 2x plus 3 to the base of 8 is 1/3. We have to find the value of x in that argument. Now remember, this is in the logarithmic form, as in log 18 minus x squared divided by 2x plus 3, the base of 8 is equals to 1/3, meaning everything here when computed will give us what? 1/3. We can also transform this logarithm into indices form, meaning the base take up the number equals to the argument. Take up as in the power, meaning 8 to the power 1/3 is equals to 18 minus x squared divided by 2x plus what? 3. Now, remember, if I have a power that is a fraction, it can be taken as the nth root of that number, meaning I should be having the cube root of what? 8. And cube root of 8 should be equals to the 18x squared 2x plus what? 3. Alright, what is the cube root of 8? Meaning you're looking for a number that multiplies itself 3 times. You know, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Meaning 2 exponent of 3 is the same as what? 8. So we can say this is power 3, the cube root. So the cube root will cancel this, giving you the whole of this to be only 2. Or in the other laws of indices, we can maintain the 8 to the power 3 and make it 2 to the power 3 here. This is 2 to the power 3 as 8. The power here is still what? 1/3. We can see 1/3 and 3 will cancel, remaining only 2. Any other way you apply the concept, you still get 2. So I'll be dealing with 2 equals to 18 minus x squared divided by 2x plus what? 3. And this becomes linear equation involving fraction, where we cross multiply or multiply by the LCM 2x plus 3. And I guess this place our multiply or our cross multiply. So I should be having 2 times this. Okay, let's repeat it. 2 times 2x plus 3 equals to 18 minus x squared multiplying 1 dividing the 2. So when you expand, you should be having 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 18 minus x squared. So this becoming variable square, variable constant, so quadratic. Let's transpose all from the right to the left. Negative become positive x squared. Then we have plus 4x plus 6. This is coming as negative 18, leaving us with what? 0. X squared plus 4x. This is going to be 6 minus 18, negative 12, equals to 0. So what do we do? We are going to find factors of negative 12. When add, will give us 4. Let's see. Factors of 12. That is negative. So I'll be having negative 2 and what? 6. I should be having negative 3 and 4. And of course, negative 1 and 12. So which one you add to get positive 2 will be your factors. So you can see here, minus 2 plus 6 will give you positive 2, positive 4. So that is the factors we are looking for. Meaning we open bracket, x minus 2, x plus 6, just the factors that we found. This is multiplication identity, so we are having 0. So it means x minus 2 is the 0, or x plus 6 is the what? 0. So what do? We have x transposing this to give us positive 2, or transposing this to give us x equals what? Negative 6. We are looking for the value of x, right? So we have to see whether we put in the negative and the positive, you have a positive answer. So let's say I am having negative 6. This negative 6 here. If it is in the denominator, This is going to be 2 times negative 6. And 2 times negative 6 will give you negative 12. Negative 12 plus 3. That will give you a negative 9. Right? And negative 9 in the denominator. Let's look at the numerator. This is negative on its own, the x squared. And this x is going to be 6 squared. And 6 squared, negative 6 squared will give us 36. So I'll be having 18 minus 36. That will be giving you negative 18, negative 9 equals to 2. Right? So the argument is going to be 2 here. If 2 is here, then logarithm of 2 to the base 8 equals to 1/3. We can try that and see. Log 2 base 8 equals to 1/3. Would that be true? When we send this to carry the power, it will become what? 2. 2 equals to 2. That is true. Then when you deal with the positive, we will get the answer. Positive 2 here will make it 4. 4 minus this 14. Positive 2 here, 4. 4 plus this what? 7. You come back to 2 again. So here, even though the x is negative, we are not going to discard it being not the answer. We know logarithm, we don't deal with negative answers. But here, the value of x being negative will still make this defined. So I'll only be saying, therefore, the values of x are 2 or what? Minus 6, or 2 and minus 6, or any of them. The two of them will easily give you satisfaction of this. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.